Hello people, our dinner for today is fried tilapia with squash, moringa leaves, and I just added coconut milk. And look at that, how delicious it is. The tilapia is one piece only and it's weight of 1 kilo. So 1 kilo is one piece only, it's huge. So the tilapia, I got that one since my birthday and I left that one. I just freeze it and now I need to cook that one. So that's how it is. That's so yummy. And I slice it for 4 cuts. So that's how the soup looks like. And of course that's healthy because I added moringa and squash. So that's gonna be our dinner for tonight. Let's eat, people. Don't forget to click subscribe our channel to those who are not done subscribing our channel yet. God bless.